Both dates and bananas are
healthy fruits, but their nutritional profiles serve different purposes. Whether one is healthier depends on your goals, such as energy, fiber, or sugar intake. Here's a comparison. Dates, calories, higher 282 kcal per 100 grams versus 89 kcal for bananas. Sugar, high natural sugar content approximately 63 grams per 100 grams. Fiber, rich source approximately 8 grams per 100 grams. Minerals, excellent in potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Antioxidants, rich in polyphenols, which combat inflammation. Best. 4. Quick energy boosts, improved digestion, fiber, and replacing refined sugar in recipes. Bananas, calories, lower approximately 89 kcal per 100 grams. Sugar, moderate approximately 12 grams per 100 grams. Fiber, moderate approximately 2.6 grams per 100 grams. Minerals, high in potassium, also contains manganese and vitamin C. Energy, provides sustained energy due to slower digestion than dates. Best for pre- or post-workout fuel, aiding digestion and managing blood pressure due to potassium, which is better. For energy, dates provide quick energy due to higher sugar, while bananas offer more sustained energy. For weight loss, bananas are better due to lower calorie and sugar content. For fiber and digestion, dates are superior. For micronutrients, dates have more variety, while bananas focus on potassium and vitamin C. Both are nutritious in their own right, so it depends on your needs and dietary goals.